If you've ever looked at your staircase and thought, this used to be easy, you already understand how important the right stairlift can be. Stairs shouldn't limit which parts of your home you can enjoy. The challenge is that not every stairlift is built for the same situation. Some are designed specifically for straight staircases. Others are engineered to handle curves and landings. And a few focus on higher weight capacities, compact folding designs, or advanced customization options. That's exactly why we put together this list of the 7 best stairlifts. Each one stands out for a different reason, whether it's space-saving design or heavy-duty support. I'll have something here for you. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these stairlifts aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Acorn 130. This is the best straight stairlift on our list. What makes the Acorn 130 such a strong choice for straight staircases is how clean and straightforward everything about it feels. It installs directly to the stairs, not the wall, so there are no structural changes needed. That keeps installation quick and mess-free, and honestly, that matters more than most people expect. Now, once you're on it, the ride feels calm and controlled. It features a soft start and soft stop system, so there's no sudden movement. You press and hold the paddle control in the direction you want to travel, hear an audible beep, and after a short delay, it moves smoothly up to full speed. Then it automatically slows and stops at the end of the track. And safety is built into every part of it. You get a seat belt and a backup battery. So, it operates during a power outage. You also get 5 safety edges around the carriage and footrest that stop the lift instantly if something is detected. And then there's everyday convenience. The seat, armrest, and footrest all fold up neatly when not in use. Remote controls let you call or send the lift easily. If you need more clearance at the bottom, the optional hinged rail helps eliminate obstruction and trip hazards. So if you want a straight stairlift that's smooth, dependable, and designed to fit naturally into your home, this one delivers. Number 6 is the Acorn 180. This is the best curved stairlift on our list. If your staircase has bends or landings, this is exactly where the Acorn 180 stands out. It's engineered specifically for curved staircases, using a modular rail system that adapts to your layout without requiring structural changes. It fits directly to the staircase, not the wall, which keeps installation clean and efficient. Now, here's where it gets impressive. The self-leveling carriage keeps the seat balanced as it moves around curves. That means even when navigating bends, the ride feels steady. It also automatically slows around turns for added comfort, so nothing feels rushed. And just like the straight model, it's battery powered. That means it keeps running during a power outage as long as it's left at a charge point. You also get a folding footrest, seat belt, diagnostic display, and remote control operation. And if you've got a doorway or hallway at the base of the stairs, you can add an automatic powered hinged rail to keep the walkway clear. When not in use, the seat and footrest fold up to maintain open stair access. So if you need a curved solution that feels stable, thoughtfully designed, and easy to integrate into your home, this one is built exactly for that. Number 5 is the Harmar Pinnacle SL600. This is the best heavy-duty stairlift on our list. The defining feature here is capacity. The SL600 supports up to 350 pounds, making it ideal for riders who want extra strength and confidence. And even with that higher capacity, it folds down to just 10.5 inches from the wall. That slim footprint keeps the staircase usable for everyone else. Now, performance is where this lift really shines. It travels at 20 feet per minute, delivering a smooth and steady glide. It uses a patented helical worm gear drive system paired with a nylon polymer gear rack. That means no grease and no lubrication. Cleaner operation, lower maintenance, and a quiet ride. It's fully battery powered and can deliver up to 60 cycles during a power outage. That kind of backup provides real peace of mind. Plus, comfort and safety are equally strong. You get a retractable seat belt, overspeed brake, LED alert system in the armrest, and obstruction sensors in both the footrest and chassis. The seat height adjusts from 17 inches to 22 inches, helping you find the right position for comfort. So if you want higher capacity without sacrificing smoothness or space efficiency, this one checks every important box. And if you want to know the latest prices for the stairlifts discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Bruno Elon. This is the best premium straight stairlift on our list. What makes the Elon feel premium is the balance of smooth performance, thoughtful design, and long-term durability. It's built specifically for straight indoor staircases, and everything about it feels refined. The ride is steady, the movement is controlled, and it delivers consistent performance every single time you use it. Plus, control is simple and intuitive. The armrest control glides the lift up and down with minimal effort. It also includes 2 wireless remotes, so you can call the lift from either level without riding it. Because it's continuously charging and fully battery powered, it keeps operating during a power outage. That kind of reliability adds real peace of mind. And space efficiency is another major strength. The rail installs within 5 inches of the wall, helping maintain open stair access. When not in use, the seat, armrests, and footrest fold flat to keep the staircase clear and uncluttered. In terms of specs, it supports up to 300 pounds, with a seat measuring 14.1 inches deep by 15.38 inches wide and 20.25 inches between the arms. It also includes a limited lifetime warranty on major components, reinforcing its long-term value. So, if you want a premium straight stairlift that feels polished, dependable, and built for everyday confidence, this one truly stands out. Number 3 is the Harmar Pinnacle SL300. This is the best compact straight stairlift on our list. If space is tight, this is exactly where the SL300 separates itself. It's engineered to be one of the most compact straight stairlifts available. The rail mounts just 1 inch from the wall and stands only 3 inches tall, helping it stay low profile and visually unobtrusive. And when folded, it measures just 11 inches from the wall. That's a major advantage for narrow staircases where every inch matters. But compact doesn't mean lightweight performance. The SL300 supports up to 300 pounds, delivering strength without bulk. It runs on a patented nylon polymer gear rack paired with a helical worm gear drive system. That means no grease and no lubrication, so you get cleaner operation, lower maintenance, and a smoother ride overall. It travels at 20 feet per minute, which feels steady and controlled. And in the event of a power outage, it can provide up to 60 trips on battery power. That kind of backup isn't just convenient, it's reassuring. Plus, safety is layered in thoughtfully. You get a seatbelt, overspeed brake, audible alert system, swivel seat with interlock, and a footrest obstruction sensor. There are also optional upgrades like a power swivel and power footrest to make mounting and dismounting even easier. The seat measures 16.5 inches wide by 15 inches deep, offering comfort while still preserving its slim footprint. So if you want a straight stairlift that saves space without giving up strength, safety, or smooth performance, this one is a standout choice. Number 2 is the Handicare 1000. This is the best customizable straight stairlift on our list. What makes the Handicare 1000 stand out right away is how tailored it can be. This isn't a one-size-fits-all system. It's designed to adapt to different needs while still keeping a sleek, polished look on your staircase. It features a slim, anodized aluminum track with no exposed gearing. That gives it a clean aesthetic and helps minimize obstructions so others can safely use the stairs. And if your staircase ends near a doorway, there's a powered hinged rail option that folds the track out of the way when not in use. That's a huge space saver. Now let's talk seating, because that's where the customization really shines. The Smart Seat offers fully adjustable height, width, and depth. You can add a powered swivel seat, a powered footrest, or even a body harness for extra support. There's also a perch seat option for those who prefer a higher, less deep seat that allows for a near-standing position. In terms of performance, it supports up to 350 pounds with a 300-pound limit for the perch seat. It also includes battery backup, safety sensors, and a key switch to prevent unauthorized use. The seat, footrest, and armrest fold up neatly to maximize stair space. So if you want a straight stairlift that can be truly tailored to your body, your space, and your preferences, this one gives you that flexibility. Number 1 is the AmeriGlide Rave 2. This is the best overall stairlift on our list. What earns the Rave 2 the overall spot is how much it balances strength, simplicity, and convenience in one package. Right away, the standout feature is its 350-pound maximum weight capacity, which makes it a solid choice for a wide range of households. And then there's installation. This model is self-installable and comes with 15 feet of track included, which gives homeowners more control over setup. Everything in this thing is designed to mount to the stairs, not the wall. Now, in everyday use, it's easy and intuitive. It's fully battery-powered, so it continues operating during a power outage. The armrest control lets you glide smoothly up and down, and you also get wireless call stations at both the top and bottom of the stairs. That makes it simple to send or call the lift without riding it. And safety is built in thoughtfully. The seat swivels for safer exits at the landing. The seat and armrest flip up when not in use. And there's a footrest safety sensor that stops the lift if it detects an obstruction. With over 100 customer reviews and a strong rating on Amazon, it's clearly a popular pick. And here's what says: overall installation was easy, nothing complicated about it, did not require special tools, etc. So far, it's been great, and we're very happy with the chair. So if you want a straight stairlift that combines strong capacity, easy installation, and practical everyday features, this one delivers a very well-rounded solution. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect stairlift. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each stairlift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.